Attachment list. Bracket hole selection. Measure the window thickness and confirm the bracket fixing holes. If the window is 50 millimeters thick, it is hole 1. Assemble the mounting bracket 4 with the mounting bracket 3. Assemble the mounting bracket 1 with the mounting bracket 3/4. Use 2 gaskets and 2 M6 screws to connect mounting bracket 1 through mounting bracket 3 to mounting bracket 4. Install the other bracket, following the steps just described. Add 1 rubber pad if the mounting bracket is required to secure hole number 3 and 2 rubber pads if the mounting bracket is required to secure hole #4/5. Attach mounting bracket number 3 to the outside air conditioner unit. Install the anti-vibration rubber damper on the outside air conditioning unit. Mount the entire unit against the RV window. Install the indoor unit on the brackets. Tighten the retaining bracket correctly. Tighten the fixing bracket that secures the outdoor unit of the window unit air conditioner. Install the drain hose for the air conditioner. Put a protective sleeve over the hose between the outdoor unit and the indoor unit. Plug in the power supply. Start the product.